Let's open another EX box. Greninja EX Shrouded Fable. And you know why I got this. It is because of the promo card of that Greninja. Let's get to unpacking. So we got here, we got our promo card, Greninja, and then some other promos. Froggy Froggy, and our Greninja. Of course, I got the first, and then we have 5 dots. Expand that out. There we go. Trainer there. Meow. And our last second card. And an EX. Dippity. Fire. Let's go. Hopefully that there's version, but not the one I want. Everyone's having a good day. Always gotta love some pack opening every day, all day. All right, that's reverse holo and. Oh, actually, just kidding. Oh my gosh. Oh, another EX. I can't believe I missed that one. Vivaroom. Come on, let's go. Hopefully that Persian is here. Just let's get it. All right. All right, and then it's hard. There's more. Please. All right. You know, it's interesting how Shrouded Fable is not, the favorite, but you already know. Once people can't get a whole lot of cards, they fall back on the one that's available. Ooh! Nice! We got ourselves a Cresselia. So pretty. Last pack magic. Alright. Here we go. Come on. Ooh, let's go, please. This version, that's fine. Very cool. No version, alright, let's go. Flying, SR, IR, and password. Let's get these all sealed up.